Good evening, my name is Patience, the Brainy Tutor, and today I'm going to be showing you logarithmic equations. So when you're solving logarithmic equations, basic idea is that you want to isolate the logarithm, then you want to rewrite it in exponential form, solve the variable, and then check for extraneous or invalid solutions. And this is because logs are only defined for positive arguments. Okay, the first example we are going to solve is going to log of base 3 of x is equal to 4. We want to rewrite this expression in exponential form. We write x, then the base, this is by the way called the base. The base is 3, and then this number is actually the exponent. Simplify it. So x is equal to, what is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3? So 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So the answer here is 81. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? For this example, you have a logarithm on both sides of the equation. So you have log of the base 5, okay, into x plus 4, which is equal to log of base 5 into 2x minus 1. So the first step is that if the bases are the same and the logs are equal, so we are going to, since these bases are the same, they both have a base of 5, that means we can set whatever is in parentheses equal to each other. So in this case, we're going to say x plus 4 is equal to x minus 1. Solving the equation, we are going to subtract 4 from both sides. So x is equal to 2x minus 5. Okay, now we are going to subtract 2x from both sides. Now we're going to have minus 1x, which is equal to minus 5, because 2x minus 2x is 0. Now we want to get rid of this negative, so we are going to divide both sides by a negative 1, and now x is equal to 5. So here, our answer is x is equal to 5. Next, let's try example 3. So the next type is when you have logs are being added or subtracted. We have the log of x plus the log of x minus 3 is equal to 1. So to solve this equation, we are going to use the formula of log of a plus log of b is equal to log of ab. Now, rewriting this equation, this exponential form, we're going to assume base 10. We're going to say x into x minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, expanding it, we have x squared minus 3x is equal to 10 to the exponent of 1. Now we have x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Solving this quadratic equation will give us x minus 5 into x plus 2, which is equal to 0. And at this point, I suggest that if you don't know how to factor equations, you can go back to one of my previous videos. I did several of these a couple of months ago, and look them up so you can learn. And if you still have questions, go ahead and put it in the comments or contact me. We're going to end up with x is equal to 5 and x is equal to -2. So remember here, to go from here to here, you need to go back to my previous videos and learn how to factor. After checking the domain, you can see that only x equal to 5 is a valid answer. Thank you for watching the Brainy Tutor. It's been a pleasure teaching you this evening, and I hope you have a great day.